In this video, I'll show you how to use site comments to leave feedback on your site. To leave a comment, click the plus icon in the Site Comments panel, and then click anywhere on your site and type your comment. You can also attach things like logos, photos, or anything else that might be helpful for your designer. When you click Submit, a notification is sent to your designer and your comment is recorded in the Site Comments log. In the Site Comments panel, we see a small indicator of the number of open comments. Clicking this icon opens the Site Comments log where you can see a list of all comments. From here, you can click to resolve a comment or click the comment to navigate to that part of the website where you can type a reply. If you want to hide all comments while you review the site, click the Hide icon in the Site Comments panel. Click the icon again to unhide.